The people here learn how to carry out chemical technical analyses themselves and understand them. We do very intensive training in microbiology and quality assurance in the food and beverage industry. Without sensory analysis, it doesn't work. It's not just whether something tastes good or bad. They have to be able to perceive the individual sensory impressions and then reproduce them. It's about showing what's state-of-the-art. That's only possible if you have modern equipment here, and the whole thing only works with the support of Siemens, for example. For us, it's an extremely important and interesting symbiosis, because here, the profession of master brewer is not only learned in theory, there's also a very powerful link to practice. That, of course, means that we can show the prospective master brewers what they'll also find in industry, that is, the large breweries. So they not only learn the theory right from the start, but also really relate it to practice. The BRAUMAT is very user-friendly. You can see that in the layout and in the design. If you have a certain understanding of brewing, you notice very quickly that this is how it's done. It's great. I've also noticed with students who've never used it before that they can very quickly gain an insight into how it works, where they have to switch, and what they have to do. All that is a huge advantage. The fact that you can do things yourself really quickly. One of the most exciting things about the BRAUMAT for us is the replay mode. The advantage there is that after you've brewed, and maybe there's nothing left in the vessels, you can still sit down and look at all the data. That's great for students because you can show them, if we've had a good brew, what factors influenced it. For example, the temperature, the flow rate in the lauter tun, or the negative pressure. All of that is recorded here with the BRAUMAT, and I can then reflect it. And if I want to make the brew again, I still have all the data, so the replay mode is a huge advantage. With digitization, we're creating entirely new opportunities, and the brewing industry is a highly innovative industry that already relies heavily on automation and plant networking. And now, with digitization elements, we can make this brewing process even more energy efficient and optimized, but also more flexible. Digitization in the entire food and beverage industry is here to stay, and it's a constant process. And of course, as a training institute, we have to make sure that we follow this path and contribute to planning ahead. One example is AI, artificial intelligence. In conjunction with certain technological quality features, there's a huge opportunity here. So, yes, we'll follow this path, but we can only do so with strong partners. We've had a lot of fun working together. I'm looking forward to all the new topics we'll be developing together here.